In this series, get quick meal ideas to accommodate your busy and healthy lifestyle. Watch to the end to see what is in this delicious, very nutritious grilled chicken sandwich and how I made it.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna
I grilled some ciabatta bread and I added the spread to both sides. You can assemble your sandwich whichever way you prefer. I started by adding my spread, then my grilled chicken, then some provolone cheese. After that, I added my special micro spicy mixed greens, which I love so much. You guys have to try this, especially in sandwiches. Of course, in salads, it's a no-brainer. So amazing, you guys. And then I also used a mandolin to shave my purple cabbage and yellow onions. And then I proceeded to add that to the sandwich, following by the onions. I then added organic baby spinach, cut some heirloom tomatoes and put it on top of that. I like to sprinkle my sandwiches with a little salt and pepper and then add a little drizzle of balsamic vinegar. This gives it a very nice touch. This is the most awaited moment, so the other ingredients that I used for the spread are olive oil, honey, and soy sauce. It just gives it that little kick, je ne sais quoi, and it just kind of brings the flavors together, honey. So don't miss that step. This was so delicious. I promise you will love this.